Hello, everyone! There are countless moments in life that are so unbelievable that no one would believe them if they weren't captured on camera today. People might miss one of these incredible moments, so let's dive right into them. Let's go! You reached your monthly character limit. Consider upgrading your account. Click below to see all pricing plans. Oh my God! Watch closely to see that it seems like some mysterious superpower ran across the bridge and then blew it up right after. A truly interesting moment involving animals. For some unknown reason, this flock of birds decided to nest in the horns of a buffalo. Japan is known as one of the most disciplined countries in the world, always ranking among the best in discipline and teamwork. This was demonstrated in this walking competition, and the training they had to endure for just a few short moments to achieve such results is incredible, even knowing that walking can be so good. If you think this guy is as cool as I do, type 2 in the comments below. Are they ghosts? But I don't think this is an effect they faked. These are called ball lightning, and to this day, they are considered an extremely rare phenomenon. Their existence remains a mystery, and there is no accepted theory on how they exist. It's all just a mystery. Oh look, I was so worried during this dramatic pig hunt. This 6-ton killer whale made an unbelievable leap out of the sea. Oh my God, what's happening? A car got stuck among a group of crocodiles. The crocodiles are trying to crawl ashore, but it seems the locals are so used to it that they aren't even afraid. A crazy idea. These construction workers were asked by their boss to wash the car, and here's how they did it. They used a giant bucket of water, but accidentally, it completely ruined the car. Their boss is probably going to be very upset. I witnessed the Red Bull Rampage mountain bike competition, where Kelly McGarry performed an unbelievable flip over a canyon, earning him a well-deserved silver medal. Now, let's check out a soccer match in South America, where, just as it was about to start, a dust devil appeared out of nowhere and completely destroyed the game. It seems this tornado wanted to join the soccer tournament. Watch the moment when flowers bloom in the night sky. Oh my God, look at this! Can you tell which one is its real head? It has 2 heads. How long did it take you to figure out which one is real? These birds are called golden pheasants, and they look like they're wearing dozens of cigarette butts all over their bodies. It's amazing because it looks so cool, and the vibrant colors are stunning when its cloak is fully displayed. Look here, you think they're a fruit, right? But no, look again. These trunks move and constantly grab food. Watching them reminds me of an octopus. If you love taking selfies, you shouldn't miss this place, where you can capture unique moments of a lifetime. They look amazing. I'm wondering where he got those skills from. To withstand the snowstorms in Antarctica with safety ropes connecting the buildings, the explorers had to follow these routes with winds reaching 90 knots. Mawson experiences an average of twice as many snowstorms in March, sometimes extending into April. It seems this boy is overwhelmed by the advertising cart. That guy over there doesn't seem to fear these dams. The dam was built to withstand a lot of force, but look what's happening. Will it still be strong enough to hold? Did you initially think this was a peaceful scene? But you might be mistaken. It collapsed right after. Oh, hold on tight to that guy. If you let go, I don't know where the wind will blow him. This is called the stairway to heaven. If you're on a ship, get ready for some thrills. The USA conducted a series of 35 nuclear tests here, and these special bombs have incredible destructive power, reaching up to 8 kilotons. I feel anxious imagining how terrifying modern nuclear weapons must be. They currently have up to 10,000 times the destructive power. Professional motorcycle racing is an extremely thrilling sensation for speed enthusiasts. Watching this guy perform a fiery shoe grind, oh my God, I feel so bad for those shoes. What do you think about the video? Please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications to get the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.